What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So excuse my wet hair. I look like a pony boy from The Outsiders. We're gonna go over Matic as well as Ethereum. So currently we're sitting at 83 cents. We're down 1.3, almost 1.4 on the day. See market cap 8.09 billion, 24-hour volume 286 million. So let's hop into the charts. Couple of scenarios. We can just break down in the wave C from here. But if we do bounce, because Bitcoin looks like a bounce could be near, there is a chance that we break the B wave high because we've already broken in the wave 1. So it could be just be a 3-wave move, just like that, and then come down. But you can also, if it doesn't see as high of a bounce, then it can also just be a wave 2 of the wave C, because a wave C is a 5-wave move. So you come down in a wave 1, you pull back, wave 2, come down 3, 4, 5. To complete that wave C and then see continuation back to the upside. What is this A doing here? How did it get down there, little bugger? So that's what I'm looking at, and then you'll complete that wave 2. It just depends on the bounce. If we bounce and it's just a 3-wave move, we get rejected, we start to roll. I think there's a decent chance that happens and we don't break that B wave high, because we have the head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So it could just be the wave 1 of the wave C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, continuation down. As you can see on this chart, this is the daily. We have a beautiful head and shoulders pattern. And we're getting pressed down by the daily EMAs. And it looks like we're coming down to test that neckline. So if that does break, that pattern's target, I think it's rather deep. Yeah, that's a bit too deep. But you don't always reach the technical target. So what we're looking for here is wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, continuation up in a wave 3. That's what I think is the likely scenario. And either bounce off 63 cents or 73 cents, but I think there's a decent chance we break the golden ratio, which is 73 cents. Looking at Ethereum, I still think we could put in a higher high, but it is possible that we create a little bit of a lower low and then start to bounce back to the upside. If we fail to break this wave 3 high, then this wave count is complete. So let me just show you guys zoomed out so it makes sense. So you have that wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback. That would be your wave 3, wave 4. If we fail to break that high, then you've completed the wave 5 and you're going to come down in a deeper correction in a wave 2 pullback, which is definitely possible for ETH. All right, guys, as you can see on the weekly, we're overbought, pushed up into that resistance. You can see that the bears pushed the price right back down in the previous week with this wick here. So it would be healthy to see some pullback, come back down to those EMAs, possibly retest the massive ascending triangle before continuation. We are currently in a trade for Matic. It's a long position, but it can easily come down to these levels and the trade will be completely fine. It's a swing trade. So that's what I'm expecting. It does look like we're going to continue down a little bit here. So when we do bounce, I think there's a good chance we don't break that B wave high. And basically you're putting in a wave 2. Let me grab my little numbers here. Wave 1 down, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete the wave C. That's what I'm looking at for Matic. All right, guys, currently we're in trades for XRP, Matic. VeChain, if you want completely free access to my signals, just sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. All around the world, grab those bonuses. Send me an email after your first deposit. Completely free access to my VIP rooms, my daily analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, a lot of Forex trades as well. With the sign up and deposit to Bitfinex, otherwise it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon, all links down below. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.